Today we're going to be moving some plants. So basically I'm going to be digging around this plant, but I want to come out maybe about a foot or two further out and go around the plant so we can keep the roots. The root system is very critical to keeping the plant. You could chop most of the leaves off and the plant will most likely grow off, but the roots is what the plant needs to stay alive. So I'm going to try to keep most of the root system by digging a crater around the perimeter of the plant, lifting it up and then taking it to another location and it won't even notice. Also, it's a cool day, it's going to rain, so that's going to help it prevent shock and going into anything else that won't keep it alive. But this is a video on how do you do it. Now the peony, and like I said, I'm just going to go around the plant just to keep the roots intact so it gets less stress and never even realize it's moving. Alright, so this is the finished product so far. I have a peony going there and I planted that. I dug a hole, as you see, about the perimeter of the Japanese maple, and I have another here which is growing pretty well. Dug a hole up that center, dropped it about maybe 4 feet deep. I'm sorry, probably 2 feet deep, and then put the Japanese and built it up and made sure I had sloping sides so when the water drains it doesn't pull into the root system, it just drains into it, spreads itself out so the water will drain and moisten up the dirt around it and the roots can spread out. Also want to add, you want to move your plants either early spring or early fall too, because the weather's mild. The plants won't get stressed out because of the heat, because the weather is mild, and you also have a chance of high rain, and it'll be the perfect conditions for you to move the plant. So when you do move the plant, make sure you do try not to disturb much of the root system, so that's why you dig around the plant. Usually wherever the branches spread out to, that's where you want to dig around. You don't want to dig around where the root's going on, you want to spread out. So if the plant spreads a little bit further out, that's where you want to go. Japanese maples, they usually go to one side, so I just took a half a measurement, probably below, but I probably dug about 2 or 3 foot around the plant and lifted it up as you saw. And guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody commenting. If you like any other videos, if you want me to show you anything or anything like that, if you have any suggestions, leave it on the comments below. And also whatever you want to see about plants, any information about watering, anything, lighting, we're going to be putting more videos out there. And please share, and also please like and subscribe.